Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this pre-registered partner van. So this van is ply-lined in the back, comes with front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera system. Up front you've got 3 seats, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You'll also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. If this van's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.